So a Thanksgiving service was held for the safe release of Bayo Adelabu's sister, the former Minister of Power. Her name is Busayo, and her twin sons. Family members, friends, and well-wishers gathered in Ibadan on Thursday, June 11, 2026, for a joyful Thanksgiving service to celebrate the safe release of Mrs. Olaide Busayo Adegoke John-Paul and her two twin sons, 12 years old. The emotional Thanksgiving event brought together relatives, associates, and community members who offered prayers of gratitude to God for the victim's safe return after their abduction by gunmen earlier in the month. At the Thanksgiving ceremony, the family expressed profound thanks to God, security agencies, and all those who supported them during the ordeal. Adelabu's mother, Mrs. Olufumilayo Adelabu, offered heartfelt prayers of gratitude for the safe return of her daughter and grandchildren. She also prayed for the safe release of other kidnapped victims still in captivity, particularly those from Orire area. Chief Bayo Adelabu, former Minister of Power, and the entire family had earlier also thanked the Nigerian police force and other security operatives for their swift and professional response that led to the rescue. The event featured praises, worship, testimonies, and celebration as attendees rejoiced over the family's reunion. Videos and photos from the Thanksgiving service circulated widely on social media, showing an atmosphere of relief, joy, and spiritual reflection at the former Minister of Power's compound, Bayo Adelabu. Well, we thank God. We continue to pray for the safe release of the Orire kidnapped victims, principal, the teachers, the school children. The government have been working hard. The government of Oyo State have been working hard to ensure that these people are released. We don't know why it's taking the government. Next 2 days, 15th of this month of June, we make it, that's on Monday, we make it exactly 1 month that these people were kidnapped. The government, both state and federal, have not taken any convincing step to get them released, because you can't just make this thing up. These kidnappers are not in thin air. Despite all the intelligence we have in this country, the military, the police, and all that, why have they not been able to track these people? Why is it taking so much time? Just like many people are suggesting, if these people that were kidnapped had to do with a prominent figure, I tell you, it won't take up to 1 week. Because Bayo Adelabu's sister, yes, we can say those that kidnapped them are different from the Fulani terrorists that kidnapped the Orire people. But then, it's still the same mission. They kidnap, they demand for money. They kidnap, they made demands. So why did this one take 3 days? And now these ones have taken more than a month. So the government needs to do more to get these people out.
Olaide tó bí Peter àǹfọ̀ ọmọ mi ni àbíkán èmi, inú mi dùn gan-an, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run fún àánú ńlá tó fi gbà mí, fún oore ńlá tó ṣe fún mi, tí mo sunkún, tí mo rẹ́ni gbà mí, tí mo rẹ́ni rẹ̀ mí lẹ́kún, tọ́lọ́run bá mi fi àṣírí àwọn ẹni ibi tó rà tó sì dá àwọn ọmọ mi ó jáde láyọ̀, tó dá àwọn ọmọ mi ó wálé láyọ̀ àtàlẹ́ tí mo sì ráwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta pé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kàkọ́ pẹ̀lú mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, inú mi dùn gan-an. Mo sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó bá mi ṣe àfihàn tọ́lọ́run ràn mí lórí ẹ̀mí táwọn ọmọ náà fi mú wálé láti dànù kùnú ìgbèkùn yìí, kọ́lọ́run ó tú wọn sílẹ̀. Bí mo ṣe ń gbàdúrà tọmọ mi láti dànù, mò ń gbà tiẹ̀ náà, ó tiẹ̀ kú ọ̀la tí táwọn ọmọ mi ó ṣẹlẹ̀ mo sun ẹkún kíkorò lórí fóònù gbà tí mo rá àwọn ọmọ yìí tí mo mọ̀ pé tèmi náà ń bọ̀ láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì ọmọ mi gbọ́mọ lọ skul ni òkè ń bí náà wọ́n ti dá wọn lọ́nà tí a fi gbé wọn lọ ṣùgbọ́n mo dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run tó sì tú àwọn ọmọ mi sílẹ̀ tó fún ọ ní ìdáǹdè yóò tú àwọn yòókù náà sílẹ̀ ìkákan ò ní dòkú wálé gbogbo wọn ẹsẹ̀ ara wọn wọ́n èrè wálé Ọlọ́run wà bá wa dáwọ́ ọrú ẹ̀dùn lórílẹ̀‐èdè wa yóò bá wa tún ìjọba Nàìjíríà ṣe yóò bá wa tún orílẹ̀‐èdè wa ṣe Ọlọ́run ó wà gbàjọba fún rẹ̀ yóò bá wa mọ̀ ṣe ìjọba yóò mọ̀ tì wá lẹ́yìn kò ní dójú ó tì à gbogbo àwọn tó ń darí wa nínú ìjọba Ọlọ́run yóò máa tọ́ wọn Ọlọ́run ó máa kọ́ wọn Ọlọ́run ó máa fi ọ̀nà òtítọ́ àti òdodo yóò máa fi hàn wọn wọn ò sì ní sì ṣe Ọlọ́run ó gbóhùn ẹ̀bẹ̀ wa lórí aráyè irú rẹ̀ ò sì ní kú lẹ́yìn ìfẹ́ ní ìkápá wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run èmi ní Mrs. Olúfúnmiláyọ̀ Adélábù Àdùkẹ́ JP ìyálóde olójú oró.